Deep Learning Interview Questions, Best of 2024. Deep learning is one of the quickest developing fields of data innovation. It is a bunch of strategies that grant machines to.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Foresee yields from a layered arrangement of data sources. Deep learning is being embraced by organizations everywhere in the world, and anybody with programming and information abilities can secure various positions. Open doors in this field. A profession in data science can be the most fulfilling position for you at any point. Nonetheless, you need to hone your abilities in deep learning before going after an information researcher position. If you need to work in the field of deep learning, you ought to plan for an inside and out interview.
Numerous organizations have various rounds of interviews that test your specialized and programming abilities, your capacity to concoct answers for open-finished issues, how well you examine the information with a scope of techniques, how you apply deep learning adequately, and your authority of key ideas in AI and information science. In this article, we take a gander at probably the most widely recognized deep learning interview questions and answers. These deep learning interview questions and answers have been compiled after extensive research from recruiters. These are the top deep learning interview questions and answers that you need to be thorough with when heading to an interview. If you are applying for a job in the domain of deep learning, be sure to check out this article again to get familiar with the top deep learning interview questions and answers. List of top 45 deep learning interview questions and answers. 1. What is the distinction between machine learning and deep learning? AI shapes a subset of artificial intelligence where we use measurements and calculations to prepare machines with information, accordingly assisting them with improving the experience. Deep learning is a piece of machine learning which includes emulating the human mind regarding structures called neurons and, in this way, shaping neural organizations. This is one example of basic deep learning interview questions and answers. 2. What is a perceptron? A perceptron is like a real neuron in the human cerebrum. It gets contributions from different elements and applies capacities to these sources of information, which change them to be yield. A perceptron is predominantly used to perform paired order, where it sees information, figures capacities dependent on the todes of the information, and yields the necessary change. 3. How is deep learning better compared to machine learning? AI is amazing in that it is adequate to take care of the vast majority of the issues. Nonetheless, deep learning gets an advantage with regards to working with information that has countless measurements. With the huge information, a deep learning model can without much of a stretch work with it as it is work to handle this. This is part of the basic deep learning interview questions and answers. 4. What is the absolute most utilized utilization of deep learning? Deep learning is utilized in an assortment of fields today. The most utilized ones are shown below. 5. What is the significance of overfitting? Overfitting is a typical issue when working with deep learning. It is a situation where the deep learning calculation vivaciously chases through the information to acquire some legitimate data. This makes the deep learning model get clamor instead of helpful information, causing exceptionally high change and low predisposition. This makes the model less exact, and this is a bothersome impact that can be forestalled. 6. What are enactment capacities? Enactment capacities are elements in deep learning that are utilized to interpret contributions to a usable yield boundary. Actuation is used to come up with the model. It is a capacity that chooses if a neuron needs actuation or not by calculating the weighted entirety of it with the inclination. Utilizing an actuation work makes the model yield non-straight. These actuations are bound to yield non-straight models. There are numerous kinds of enactment capacities. ReLU, softmax, sigmoid, straight, Tanha. 7. For what reason is Fourier change utilized in deep learning? Fourier change is a viable bundle utilized for investigating and overseeing a lot of information present in a data set. It can progressively cluster information and cycle it rapidly. This guarantees that high proficiency is maintained and additionally makes the model more open to preparing an assortment of signs. What are the means associated with preparing an insight into deep learning? 5 primary advances determine the learning of a perceptron. Introduce edges and loads. Give inputs. Figure yields. Update loads in each progression. Rehash stages to 2-4. 8. What is the utilization of the misfortune work? The misfortune work is utilized as a proportion of exactness to check whether a neural organization has gained precisely from the preparation information or not. This is finished by contrasting the preparation dataset with the testing dataset. The misfortune work is an essential proportion of the presentation of neural organizations. In deep learning, a decent performing organization will have low misfortune and work consistently when preparing. 9. What is a portion of the deep learning systems or devices that you have utilized? Notwithstanding, a portion of the top deep learning structures out there today are TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, CAF2, CNTK, MXNet, Theno. 10. What is the utilization of the wash work? The washing work is a self-gated actuation work created by Google. This actuation work developed by Google is quite well known. It is presently a well-known actuation work utilized by numerous individuals, as Google guarantees that it beats the entirety of the other initiation capacities as far as computational proficiency. 11. What are autoencoders? Autoencoders are fake neural organizations that learn with no management. Here, these organizations can consequently learn by planning their contributions to the comparison of yields. Autoencoders, as the name suggests, comprise 2 substances. Encoder, used to fit the contribution to an invert calculation state. Decoder, used to change over the computational state once again into the yield. 12. What are the means to be followed to utilize the slope plunge calculation?
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.